the International Code of Signals or ICS, Annex 5, is part of the Global Maritime Communication System developed under the authority of the International Maritime Organization. The ICS is used by ships to communicate important messages related to safety, navigation, and emergencies, especially when language barriers exist. Annex 5 of the ICS especially focuses on medical signal codes. This section is designed to help ships request medical assistance or give information about patient condition when there is no doctor on board or when urgent advice is needed.
In simple terms, Annex 5 provides a standardized way to ships to communicate medical situations using code signals. These signals can be set through flags, radio, or Morse code. The purpose is to clearly describe symptoms, injuries, or illnesses and to receive proper instructions from medical professionals on shore or from other vessels. Example of an Annex 5 includes codes to describe a patient's conditions such as fever, bleeding, and conditions, questions and answers related to diagnosis, instructions for treatment and first aid, request for evacuation or orient medical help. This system is very important because at sea, access to hospitals is limited. Through Annex 5, even non-medical crew members can communicate effectively with doctors and receive life-saving guidance. Annex 5 or the ICS is all about medical communication at sea, ensuring that ships can send accurate health-related messages and receive proper assistance quickly and clearly.